Imagine a world where doctors are algorithms, teachers are virtual assistants, chefs are robotic arms, and construction workers are autonomous machines. Sounds like science fiction? It's not. Thanks to rapid advancements in artificial intelligence, AI, and robotics, this world is becoming a reality, much sooner than most people expect. For years, the conversation around automation revolved around factory jobs and manual labor. But today, no profession is immune. From white-collar analysts to creatives, AI and robotics are entering every industry, transforming the nature of work as we know it. This video dives deep into the question, what if artificial intelligence and robotics could replace every job you know today? The journey to automation began centuries ago with the Industrial Revolution. Mechanical looms, steam engines, and assembly lines revolutionized how goods were produced. Each technological leap brought increased productivity, but also sparked fears of job loss. Fast forward to the 21st century. Computers, the internet, and now artificial intelligence are the latest game changers. Unlike earlier waves, today's automation technologies don't just augment human effort. They're starting to replace cognitive and creative skills too. This shift is why AI and robotics aren't just changing the tools we use, they're transforming who does the work. Artificial intelligence and robotics have already surpassed human capabilities in many areas. Consider just a few real-world examples. AI systems like IBM Watson can diagnose diseases more accurately than human doctors. Surgical robots perform complex operations with precision unmatched by human hands. Self-driving vehicles are being tested in cities worldwide, potentially replacing millions of taxi, truck, and delivery jobs. AI-powered chatbots can handle thousands of customer interactions simultaneously, solving problems in real time without fatigue. Robo-advisors and high-frequency trading algorithms manage billions in investments daily, often outperforming human fund managers. AI systems now generate news stories, sports summaries, and even legal briefs, instantly and at scale. These aren't isolated cases, they are signals of a massive shift underway. A landmark study by Oxford University in 2013 estimated that 47% of US jobs were at high risk of automation. Since then, the list of vulnerable roles has only grown. The most susceptible jobs include data entry clerks, telemarketers, truck drivers, retail cashiers, fast food workers, bank tellers, manufacturing line workers, and paralegals and legal assistants. These roles involve repetitive tasks, well-defined rules, and high-volume work, ideal conditions for AI and robotic systems to thrive. The next wave of automation will not just hit blue-collar jobs. Thanks to generative AI and machine learning, even highly educated professionals are at risk. AI can scan and summarize thousands of legal documents faster than any human paralegal. Diagnostic algorithms already match or outperform human radiologists in interpreting medical images. Bookkeeping and tax preparation can be fully automated using modern accounting software. AI tutors like Conmigo and adaptive learning platforms are reshaping how students learn, personalized, 24/7, and scalable. Tools like GitHub Copilot can write and debug code, raising questions about the future of programming itself. When AI starts replacing decision-making, judgment, and communication, core traits of white-collar work, no profession is truly safe. Many believed creativity would be the final frontier for humans, but even that belief is fading. AI-generated art, music, video scripts, and fiction are rapidly improving. Deep learning models like GPT-4, DALL-E, and Sora now generate creative content in seconds. In advertising, marketing copy, blog posts, and video concepts can be produced by AI. Musicians use AI to compose harmonies. Even video game designers use generative tools to build realistic environments and characters. Creativity, once thought to be uniquely human, is now being replicated and enhanced by machines, blurring the line between artist and algorithm. If artificial intelligence and robotics can perform almost every task, what happens to the global workforce? One possibility is a shift from human labor to machine labor at scale. Companies could run entire operations with minimal human involvement. From AI-driven logistics to robotic production lines and virtual agents handling customer relationships, the AI robot economy could be hyper-efficient and almost entirely automated. But such a transition would create profound societal questions. Who owns the machines? Where does the wealth go? What happens to human purpose? These are not just philosophical musings. They are urgent questions for policymakers, businesses, and communities. History shows that humans are adaptable. When farming jobs declined, we moved to factories. When factories automated, we shifted to offices. The hope is that AI will free us from mundane tasks and open up new opportunities. But this transition may be faster and more disruptive than anything before. Retraining a truck driver to become a data scientist or robotics engineer isn't easy or always feasible. Some experts propose solutions like universal basic income, shorter work weeks, lifelong learning incentives, and taxation on robots and AI systems. However, these solutions require bold leadership, forward-thinking policy, and public support. Otherwise, we risk a divided society of tech elites and displaced workers. While many roles face automation, some may survive or even thrive in an AI-powered world. These include human-centered roles, therapists, social workers, and caregivers who require emotional intelligence and empathy. Creative strategists, those who can guide AI tools rather than be replaced by them. AI ethicists and regulators. As the AI economy grows, new oversight roles will become crucial. Cybersecurity experts. Protecting AI infrastructure will be a critical priority. Skilled trades, certain plumbing, electrical, and mechanical jobs are still too nuanced or unpredictable for robots. Instead of asking what jobs AI will take, we should ask, what skills will humans still uniquely offer? If artificial intelligence and robotics can do our jobs faster, better, and cheaper, should they? Beyond economics, there are ethical questions. Should a robot care for the elderly? Should an AI decide who qualifies for a loan or parole? Should algorithms teach our children values? Delegating responsibility to machines comes with risks. Bias in data can lead to biased decisions. Lack of accountability can create injustice. And over-reliance can dull critical thinking and empathy. We must ensure that the future of work doesn't sacrifice our humanity in pursuit of efficiency. So, what if artificial intelligence and robotics could replace every job you know today? It's not just a question, it's a warning, it's a wake-up call, and it's also an opportunity. This is a pivotal moment in human history. We can allow automation to displace and divide us, or we can reimagine work itself. Let's focus on reskilling and education for all ages. Ethical AI development with transparency and accountability. Public-private partnerships to steer automation towards social good, and community resilience to support mental, emotional, and economic health. The robots are not coming, they're already here. It's up to us to shape the future they create. The idea that artificial intelligence and robotics could replace every job sounds terrifying, but it also invites us to rethink what work truly means. Is it a means to survive or a way to express ourselves, contribute to society, and grow as individuals? In this rapidly changing landscape, our greatest tool isn't a machine, it's our mindset. The future is closer than you think, and how we prepare today will define tomorrow.